Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. This is your first time visiting. Welcome. I do clothing unboxing videos. I do both stylist picking out videos and shopping hauls, and I'm just having a blast updating my wardrobe. And if you are interested, please hit the subscribe button below, and I would love to have you stick around and watch my videos. I'm filming outside today because it's a nice day, it's not too sunny, so I'm hopefully not too squinty. I'm a little squinty, but hopefully not too squinty, and I just thought it would be fun to do this outside. Today I am doing a Thrift2You unboxing. If you are not familiar with Thrift2You, then you should get to know it. So basically it is a styling service, but you are actually getting thrift clothes. So you're getting a lot better deal, a lot cheaper clothes. Some of the stuff is still even brand new because the stylist is able to find things with tags on, which is amazing. So the options are you can buy for $45, you can buy 4 items, or for $75 you can buy 7 items. There is an additional $10 shipping fee on top of that. What you get in the box you can keep, but if you get enough to fill a box to return, you can send that back and get a replacement box. I have not done that yet, but I am close to a full box, so I may after this one. What I'll say about Thrift2You is the customer service is amazing. The stylist reaches out to you with any questions. If she's not sure if something will fit or if something's exactly what you like, she might send a picture to get your approval on it. I really appreciate that personal touch. My stylist also watches my videos, so she gets to know me through that and gets to know what I like, and she's just a great commenter, so I really appreciate that. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what they have for me. Okay, when I open up the box, I have a note from the stylist. She says, "Thank you for trusting me to style you again. Appreciate you." In my last box, I even got a bonus item, which was super exciting. She provides the return instruction and also the social media information, which I will hold up for you guys to see. You should definitely follow them on social media. She has a letter detailing what she found and how to style it, which I'm excited about that. I will read that at the end, and let's go ahead and dig in. Okay, first off, we have a pair of jeans, a pair of distressed jeans. Very cute. These are by BG, and they look like they have a little bit of a straight leg or a boot cut to it. We shall see, but I really like the distressing on it, so can't wait to see if this fits. I had a beautiful pair of distressed jeans in my last box, and they were too small just because they were a junior size instead of regular size, and that was just so disappointing. So hopefully these fit. Next up, we have a blazer. I did list that I was looking for blazers. It is a striped blazer, which is different. I don't have a striped one yet. So, oh, and it looks like a 3/4 sleeve blazer too. I am very excited about this. Hopefully this fits. Next up, we have a white cardigan. Oh, very cute. Long sleeve. Doesn't look like the sleeves will be too long. Has pockets. Has a kind of a drape front here. It is a little perforated. It should be airy that you could probably wear this year round. Very cute. Oh, and this is by Express. By the way, the blazer is by the Limited. And then the last piece here is, ooh, it looks like a strap. Oh, would you look at this. Oh, I love this. I have all the love in the world for this. Okay, so it's a strapless dress, and it is polka dot. It is polka dot, it's navy and white, and I really love it. Good job. I I just think it's so cute. And it is by the Limited again. So hopefully this fits. I think it should because it's an extra small, and usually things that don't fit are because of my bum, but since this is kind of like a fit and flare, this should fit great. Can't wait to try this stuff on. Okay, guys. These first two items that I am trying on, love. The cardigan fits perfectly, just like a glove. Fits perfectly. It is warm, which is going to be amazing for the office. That's the main place where I wear to the office, to church. Those are the only places I wear a cardigan, and I am always freezing there. So the fact that this is more of a sweater type cardigan is actually fantastic, because this is perfect. So love, love, love the cardigan. There it is from the back. My kitty. So very happy with this. The dress, guys, it fits. It fits. Super excited about the dress. Very cute, flowy, fits well. I just love it. It's just a fun summer dress. So absolute knock out of the park. Love it. Next up we have the distressed jeans. Love the distressed on them. My only issue with these jeans is just they are a mile too long. I put them on with some wedges, but still am having issues with them being kind of scrunched up at the bottom. And since they are a little bit of a flare leg, I can't roll them up. Fortunately, I don't think these are going to work, so this will probably make the fourth item in my box to send back to Thrift2You. Should end up with a replacement box at some point, but the fit is great. It's just too long for me. So let's try on the blazer next. Okay, last up we have this blazer, which I love. I love that it has the shorter arm length on it. It is a nice fitted blazer. I like that. I do like that I can button in the front or not, even though I said I didn't wanted one that didn't button. I don't mind buttoning this. I think that's cute. The only thing with this is it just needs a good iron. So it just seems like whoever wore this last probably, or whoever owned this before probably threw it in the washer and dryer, and it needs a good ironing. Really excited about this though, like it a lot. Okay, let's do our recap. Okay, well, I'm not going to read the stylist note for you because it is quite long, but there are a couple of things that I do want to point out that she said. One was the benefit of having your stylist watching your YouTube videos is that they pick up things you're interested in. So she saw in another video that I liked polka dots, which is why I ended up with this fantastic polka dot dress. So that's awesome. And the other thing is she actually had my box already ready to go before I even ordered. So that's awesome. I remember getting the email from her the day after I ordered saying it was ready to ship, which was mind-blowing. And that's why, so I really appreciate the fact that she is ready to go, that she's invested, that, you know, I'm guessing while she's out shopping, she's thinking about just different customers that she has, and she'll pick up stuff for them. I got a blazer, I got a pair of jeans, I got a dress, and I got a cardigan. Any one of those by themselves could easily be the $45 by themselves. But to get all of those for $45, even though they're used, it's such a great deal. I highly recommend that you try Thrift2You. I am leaving the link down below for you to try it, and I hope you love it as much as I do. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you'll be around to watch my next video. So thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Okay,